Yoshimura TRC exhaust pipe for the Honda Metropolitan or Honda Ruckus. See, the attachment comes with this little frame mount, special spacers, bolt. This whole thing comes together pretty simply. We can hear what it sounds like when it's started up. Sounds awesome. Get a rev from it. From a distance you can hear, even from the front, sounds pretty good. Adds kind of a custom sound to it. Went to Tokyo. Pretty much everyone's scooter has some kind of an aftermarket exhaust like this. So, sounds really great. Looks impressive from behind. Probably adds a little bit of lean angle on that side. And overall, very high quality product. And we can just give it a test to see what it sounds like. There may be a lot of wind noise. Let's see what it's like. It doesn't actually offer any performance gains, but it sounds awesome. So that's pretty much the main benefit. Unwindy or windy that was, but yeah, overall sounds great. That's pretty much it.